Students, today we will revise active and passive voice. I will ask you some questions. And you will have 10 seconds to answer. I will then give you the correct answer, followed by further insight on the topic. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Now, let's understand the active and the passive voice. When the subject of a sentence performs the verb's action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Sentences in the active voice have a strong, direct, and clear tone. In a sentence, a basic active voice construction consists of subject, verb, and object. In the given sentence, the subject, the cashier, performs the action described by counted. Now, let's move to the next question. To understand this, let's go through the previous sentence. The cashier counted the money. In this sentence, the cashier is the subject, counted is the verb. So, in the active voice, the action is done by the subject before the verb. Let's see the next question. In active sentences, the thing doing the action is the subject of the sentence, and the thing receiving the action is the object. Example: the teacher teaches the student. Now let's see the next question. Now, always remember, in active voice, a sentence has thing doing action, verb, thing receiving action. Let's take an example in simple past tense to understand this. In active voice, Sam washes the dishes, subject doing action, verb, thing receiving action. In passive voice, the dishes are washed by Sam, subject receiving action, passive verb, by, thing doing action. Now, let's try the last question. Always remember, sentences constructed in the active voice add impact to your writing. On the other hand, passive voice makes for a murky, roundabout sentence. So, it's important that we should be more straightforward with active voice.